don't know if you can see it or not, but the shit from the sky is coming again. This shit. Right down here. I'm over it. I'm well past over it.
Coming down really fast. Be careful. Stay clear. This one? It's kind of a weird looking one.
Hey, you can actually see the VIN number now. Right here.
Oh yeah, there's a serial number here, and then there's one right underneath the driver I saw. I didn't see this one, so it's in two places.
Let me know when you're ready. There we go, it's sliding on. There we go. It's home.
You thought you were.
I did, I hit the button.
Okay, so I got done with about a half hour worth of stuff. And she forgot to turn the camera on, not a half hour. Anyway.
Try 30 seconds.
We got all the hinges. Let me throw this away.
Dramatic. You're dramatic.
We got all the hinges. Brand new pins. Media blasted today. Paint them up tomorrow morning first thing. Body is on the frame. Cleanest frame I have ever seen, period. Trucks from Georgia, there is absolutely no pitting. So tomorrow that will be connected down, and then the truck is literally ready to go downstairs for paint. So the last week and a half, a lot of positive things have happened, and I'm excited about it. So very, very excited. It's been sanded all the way to 320. We'll put surfacer on it, which will take and smooth out any defects in the 320, and then paint. It's gonna be gorgeous. Gonna be gorgeous. Very happy.
All right, I was home doing some laundry for the shop this morning and a few other things that I just don't ever seem to get a chance to get finished. So anyway, I came in this afternoon and a little something happened. There would be an engine in the vehicle. You guys been slightly busy this morning, huh?
Yeah. Tyler, man, I was downstairs all day.
You're just doing this all on your own, huh?
Yeah, well, he helped me drop it in. Oh, yeah.
Cherry red transmission that no one will ever see. All right, so you saw the engine in the 66 carryall. Now let's go downstairs here and check out a few of the pieces that got a little color today.
Exciting day. Items are coming together for the 1966, as you can see. Beautiful combination, wool gray, black. That is gonna pop next to each other. The entire front clip is complete, done, painted. The hood, the inside door jambs have been completed. Just, it's looking awesome. Looking awesome. Very, very happy.
We'll be jamming. Door jambs are done. Still angry red on the inside, like I like to call it. So we're gonna do some panels on the inside doors, I believe, that are going to be black, that will match the carpet. And we are having a difficult time finding some upholstery for the interior. We're actually, the seats that are going to be used, we're having a hard time finding black for them, believe that or not. Seems to me like that would be one of the most common colors. And yeah, so that will be my search today. Either that, or I'm going to be cracking open my sewing machine and giving her a whirl. And I do believe we have a pattern for the old seats, so I just may be making some seat covers. I guess I made my bridesmaid dresses thinking I could probably make a seat cover. Just saying.
Zack and Tyler in the background taping off the 1966 Suburban. They have done an awesome job. It is ready for paint. Today is Monday, January something. Anyway, it's going to be a two-tone, black on the top, wool gray on the bottom. It's going to be a beautiful truck. Let's do a quick walk around when they're doing the tape off. Obviously, we have the Vortec motor in there. We have the frame. It was media blasted. I have not seen a frame this clean. I mean, the whole thing looks like that, all the way back. Truck's originally from Georgia. Body line right here. From there up will be black. From there down will be the wool gray. The panels up front here, it has some pinholes. We just bought new panels, went to the body line, replaced them. Real clean. They are doing what's called back taping. Basically, you go around the whole truck, plastic will hook to that, seals everything from getting up underneath, and it gives you a clean line edge to work from. But there you have it. 66 Suburban is in the paint booth. The LS is looking great. The wire harness aftermarket's on. I have a new shield coming, a different shield coming that's going to cover up all of the injectors and coils. But again, this frame is just, it's as clean as I've seen them. And that's just because it's from Georgia. Headers are on the way. Should have them by Wednesday. Looking really, really good.
Couple young guns.
Young guns are going in.
Here we go.
Yeah. A couple spots here and there. Overall, it's pretty good. Oh, yeah.
Better than I thought it was going to. A little worried. Since we didn't use any service for really. Other than the spray can.
Yeah, you got that truck.
Spray can?
Well, just do the spots. Which I already have now. I just did service around the spots. I go around and service the whole thing and go black and whole thing. That's like whole or every panel is just like shot.
Just all ready to go. It's go time.
This has been a hell of a run. Truck's been in the paint booth for 2 straight days now. We sealed everything in a deep dark gray. Now we have started, as you can see, the 2-tone process. So the top of the truck is going to be a jet black. It's the blackest black you can purchase, obviously with a clear coat, so it's going to be a high gloss. And then the bottom is going to be the wool gray. And as you can see here, this is the first time that we are seeing these 2 colors together. I think it's going to be awesome. With the deep, deep, deep black tinted windows in the back, the black up top, the gray on the bottom. I can't think of for this particular truck, this paint combination is really going to set off the body lines, and it's just going to be very much a classic. It's going to be awesome. It's staying traditional to the 66 Suburban for the 2-tone. They came that way in some of them, and then it's staying, you know, a little bit modern with the colors that we're putting on. So again, very excited. Colors together with the clear on for the first time. Awesome. Very, very, very awesome. Tomorrow is going to be a busy day. We have to hang the doors, tape things off, do the color line on the bottom, put on the wool gray on the doors and on the top, and then on the top it's black already, obviously. Take the tape line off, clear the entire thing. So tomorrow, again, the entire day is going to be spent in the paint booth, but it's going to look beautiful. Beautiful! Very happy with Zack and Tyler. They're making sweet progress. It has been a long time coming to get to this point. We started with an old school daily driver, no big deal. Now we went to the other extreme. LS motor, automatic transmission, overdrive. The rear end's going to be gone through. Just going to be a really, really beautiful truck. Anyway, hope you're enjoying it. Tomorrow, you'll see it finished up in color and clear. Excited, very excited. Looks beautiful. Stay tuned, keep watching. A lot more to come. Down below, if you like what you see, give us a comment. Tell us if you like it, tell us if you don't like it. Love your comments down below no matter what they are. Subscribe, follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Appreciate each and one of you. Appreciate each and every one of you. Till then, take it easy.